Join TAGR, your goals will be achieved. My stuck 75 lakh converted into an investment home now. This community is my family.
Then join us and we are there to support you for lifetime. Click on the link below and we'll support you in your journey. It is very tough when you have a big investment done and you don't know what is it going to be the future of that investment. पैसा आएगा नहीं आएगा, investment सही होगा कि नहीं होगा. 75 lakhs का investment done and not sure क्या होने वाला है. That's the real story of Meera Dudwadkar. Meera, congratulations on your success story and welcome to the Carnegie Club. I mean, can you just introduce yourself to the audience? और क्या आपकी success story थी Meera, please?
Thank you, sir. Okay, my name is Meera Dudwadkar. I used to be a computer science lecturer in college earlier. Presently, I teach online. I'm from Mumbai. I have a wonderful, caring husband. He is an architect. I have a loving child. My son Ojaswa and I, we both are part of TAGR community.
Awesome, amazing, great. Thank you so much, and we're blessed to have such a wonderful, very nice introduction, Meera. So, what is your success story? What happened, Meera?
Okay. The success story is 2 years back, we decided to buy a home. And we paid, the initial amount we paid was rupees 75 lakhs. But because of some unexpected problem, and the problem was really genuine and unanticipated, we were not able to pay the balance amount. And the money got stuck because builder was not ready to give us the initial amount back. And we were not able to pay the remaining balance.
Yes.
So, and I don't blame the builder because it was definitely our mistake. But this was stuck for 2 years. And it really hurts when our hard-earned money is lost like this. And it was really 75 lakhs for me, it's a huge amount.
It's a huge amount for everyone. 75 lakhs is a huge amount for sure. So what happened? Now what happened?
Okay. So I joined TAGR. I didn't join TAGR for this goal. I joined just because I was a law of attraction believer and I liked Think and Grow Rich. I read that book in 2015. But उस वक्त कुछ समझ में नहीं आया था and I really wished कि कोई ऐसा होना चाहिए who will explain me these things. Even my sister Kirti, I showed that book to her and I told her let's read it together so that we can even discuss it. That time she was not interested. That time she only got me in TAGR. Yeah. So I started attending the mastermind sessions. I started doing the rituals, and it was like a miracle for me. Suddenly something happened, and the builder gave us offer that money was stuck, and he was definitely not going to give the money back. But he gave us offer that put in 20 lakhs more and buy a flat in some other project. At least the stuck money will be converted into an investment. So we liked that idea. And doing 90 days program, I was really benefiting. The first thing happened was positive mental mindset.
Yes.
Yeah. The whole mindset changed. Way of looking at things changed. Earlier I used to creep and complain a lot. I had that negative approach towards everything, and suddenly I started looking at everything very positively. So when I was doing 90 days program, lot of good things started happening in life.
Yeah.
And my health improved. Earlier I used to have high blood pressure, and it was needed to take the tablets for blood pressure. But last 6 months, I am not taking any tablet.
Wow.
So my health improved. Even the emotional health improved. I was able to forgive and let go things. किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो अभी दिमाग में नहीं रहता है. पहले it was like it used to hurt a lot, and that negative thoughts used to be in my mind. So now let go is happening. So and life became happy suddenly. मतलब अचानक से without any reason I started feeling happy. All happy things started happening.
Right.
So I was very happy with 90 days program, and even we got this thing hope from the builder that he introduced that you can transfer the money into an investment hope.
True.
That is why I was very satisfied with this 90-day program, so I went for Victory Mastermind. And that was a miracle. Within 15 days, the other location people, sales people, they started communicating with us. We were able to arrange the remaining balance. They had told to put in 20 lakhs more. So we were able to arrange that money, and I just got the handover last week.
You got the handover?
Yeah, yeah. My stuck 75 lakhs is converted into an investment home now. And the property is so beautiful. It is like a weekend home for us presently.
Super.
Because it is beautiful.
Super.
I'm happy about whatever happened. Yeah.
Wonderful. I think this is a real great success story. 75 lakhs stuck up, and now it's all there as an investment. The property is in your name, and I can understand the tension. You know, पैसा दे दिया, अभी मेरे नाम पे हुआ नहीं है, और किधर builders कैसे support करेंगे? Builders ऐसे ही होते हैं. We have got our own, you know, some meanings रहते हैं दिमाग में, but you got this amazing. And thank you for trusting us from joining the 90-day challenge, trusting your sister, and then moving to the Victory Mastermind. That's the name of the game where you got the entire results. You know, 75 lakhs is not a small amount. So Meera, for people, see, you were 2015, you read the book. So what did you do differently in joining the academy, in joining this community, which was not before just reading the book? So what was the difference in your activities, in your actions, which we made you to do? If you can just share that.
Yeah. Reading the book, actually I didn't understand even 10% of the book that time. But when I attended mastermind sessions, I really got to know few things. I'll highlight that we become what we think about. Thoughts are things.
Yes.
And even the rituals, what we do. I do all the rituals. I'm a very sincere student of this academy, and I do all the Victory Mastermind rituals very sincerely.
Awesome.
And the community is wonderful.
I think great. I think you did everything. You listened to the Stranger's Secret. You used to come for the mastermind calls, lifetime support. You did all the rituals mentioned. I think that's the name of the game, that you trusted us and you followed the rituals. Really so powerful.
Goal card reading, gratitude writing, everything I do.
Yeah, goal card reading, gratitude writing.
This was my goal card with pictures and all.
This is one. Oh, wonderful! What a beautifully designed card. And yes, you manifested this, right? You got this.
Yeah, I manifested this. Even I stuck this goal card everywhere in my bedroom.
Amazing. This is the real power of it, you know. And you did this, and beyond just reading the book, beyond just listening to the videos and audios, you got this. So this is really powerful. Thank you for that. So Meera, if I want to ask you now, what is your belief systems about yourself, the way you are looking at your life, the way the paradigm has shifted, the way your mindset has become winning? I mean, I know you have got huge goals, and we are going to support you for lifetime. And you are our very good student for sure. I can see that you never missed any of our calls. So what's next for you, Meera? Abhi aage kya? What's there for you, Meera? If you can share with us.
Okay. Presently, I'm working on my career goal, which is publishing my course and starting up my career.
Yes. Any confidence hai aapne ki ho jayega with this belief system?
Yes, I'm very much confident. And I got rid of procrastination because घर पे काम करना is like nobody is there to check, and किसी का bossing नहीं है, तो we procrastinate. But I have got rid of that.
Awesome.
Persistent. I learned persistence.
Yes. So Meera, if I want to ask you maybe 2 or 3 things which are so special about this community which you really like, some 2 or 3 top things which you really like about this community of Think and Grow Rich, if you want to share with us.
Yeah, this community is my family. Here everybody is very caring, supportive. We have mentors. Everybody feels happy for each other's success. And yeah, you are the CEO of the academy, but you don't make us feel that way. You are like a family head for us. And this is wonderful. I love being part of this community.
Thank you. Okay. We also love all of you to be there. This is an extended family, Meera. So Meera, for participants or maybe who will be watching your interview, and whether they would be thinking whether should I go from 90 days to Victory Mastermind, or maybe for the viewers who want to know how do we enter the community, what would be your advice to them? What would you recommend? What would you suggest to them? I mean, what do they should do?
Okay, I would suggest, if you want financial success, if you're facing any relationship problem and you want to manifest a good life partner or good relationship with anybody, if you want a success in exam, your dream home, your dream job, whatever might be your desire, join TAGR, your goals will be achieved.
Awesome.
Yeah. And here we learn how to program our subconscious mind, 13 steps towards riches, principles of success. We learn the proper effective techniques of visualization, how to do affirmations, how to get rid of fears, how to connect with infinite intelligence, and there are so many things you will get to know when you join the academy. Yeah, the life transforms, definitely.
So Meera, I wanted to ask you this question. See, you made your son, Ojaswa, in this academy, and I think Ojaswa is just 10 years old?
Yeah, he is 10 years old.
10 years old. I mean, this is so heartwarming for me that, you could only give maybe a thing to your kid to taste a new dish, or maybe ये picture देखो अच्छी है, because you know कि picture अच्छी तो ही अपने आप बेटे को देंगे, अपने to your kids. What made you, take this decision as a mother? I know you love your son a lot. कि अपने बेटे को academy में enter कराया. What really made you that decision? And for people who are parents who are watching this, that does sound he is doing this. I mean, what is 10 years of boy? What made you take this decision?
Okay, I enrolled him because I felt I should have joined TAGR when I was a child. Yeah, because in my life I attracted a lot of fears, and the very first thing we learn is to get rid of fears. You teach us techniques to get rid of fears, which are very unique. वो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं सुने थे और बुक में इतना समझ में नहीं आया था. So, and success is programmed in your subconscious mind.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I think यही चीजें जो है आपकी कि right now I think you are a successful person. Your mindset is successful. I'm seeing the smile. I'm seeing the aura. No blood pressure, no anxiety, no fear. Just that smile, just the right vibration, just being in this space. I can clearly see that how the well-being is there in your mindset. Thank you so much for having an open mind and also enrolling your son in this awesome community. And yes, मुझे भी लगता है कि मुझे ये पहले मिला होता तो बहुत आसान होता, but better later. Yeah. So thank you so much, Meera. Final words, Meera, you want to share with us, with the audience who's watching on YouTube, or maybe to the participants in the community जो आपका interview देख रहे हैं, कुछ आपको final words बोलने हैं हमारे साथ में कुछ?
Yeah, I would like to say join TAGR. Those who haven't joined, join 90 days program, and those who are in the community, join Victory Mastermind. It is a very powerful space. It is a really magical space.
Great.
And we get connected to positive frequency. And when we get connected to positive frequency, everything starts happening good in our life. Yeah.
Very nicely said, Meera. And yes, it is all about connecting to our higher frequencies. And once we understand how to connect with the higher frequencies, everything starts to happen in our life like magic. So, so we need to pause your logic to start the magic happening. And I always say that.
I have paused my logic.
Yeah, you are a mathematics and science and complete left-brainer, lecturer, trainer. Definitely for me, CA, MBA, we have to pause our logic. Otherwise, magic hota hi nahi life mein. So glad for you, Meera. Congratulations for your success story. It's been an awesome journey with you, and really thank you for giving us a chance to contribute to in your life, and also trusting us for your son, beloved son Ojaswa. He's a great student in our community. I could say he's the wisest and he's the fastest learner because he's young. उनका कुछ past experience नहीं है, तो उनको definitely he is going to move faster and get the results at this age. If he gets it, this is brilliant. So thank you so much, Meera, for trusting us, and I wish you grand success in the future and be a part of this awesome community. We are there for you for a lifetime. Thank you, Meera, for your
I am a lifetime student of this community now.
I know that. I know that, Meera, and thank you for trusting us. This is Meera Dudwadkar. I mean, complete left-brainer, but she paused her logic. She entered this community. She did exactly what we told her to do. She trusted us and she followed the rituals. She made this community an extended part of our family. She took the support systems and she not only manifested her health goals, relationship goals, but a dead investment of 75 lakhs got converted into a second home and asset in Mumbai. But that's a tough thing for anybody. That's a great thing for anybody to have for sure. So this is Meera Dudwadkar's story. If you are inspired by her story, please like this interview, share this interview, subscribe to our channel. Perhaps maybe someone's life can be changed if they watch this particular interview. If you want to really get these results, if you really want to get the secret how to think and grow rich, then join us and we are there to support you for lifetime. Click on the link below and we'll support you in your journey. Thank you so much, Meera, for your time. Congratulations once again. And this interview will be going very soon live on YouTube. And also, you'll be welcomed in our Carnegie Club of Success officially in the Friday Mastermind call. All the participants will support you. We'll celebrate together on that journey. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Meera, and may God bless you. Thank you.